We cannot afford to entrench a culture of impunity, which is what the government is trying to force us to do. So it's not a question of delaying it by 6 months. We don't want it ever to come. We want these people in The Hague.
Tables are set to be turned in the August House as the backbench changes sides with the government for the battle over the local tribunal. Imanyara is set to fire the first shot when he brings back to Parliament a Constitutional Amendment Bill 2009 meant to anchor the tribunal in the Constitution. Imanyara's amendment is almost a carbon copy of the one former Constitutional Affairs Minister Martha Karua drafted, except for 3 clauses that could either spell the death of the bill or be the tiebreaker in the tribunal stalemate in the House. Clause 2, 3 and 4 of Imanyara's amendment contain almost all the contentious issues over the local tribunal. For one, Imanyara is proposing that Section 14(1) of the Constitution, which protects the President from any prosecution while in office, should not apply in the case of the local tribunal. He also proposes stripping the Attorney General of powers to initiate, terminate cases, or alter any sentence given by a local tribunal on the post-election violence. Another potentially controversial clause in Imanyara's bill is the provision that once passed by Parliament, the amendment shall not require presidential assent. This is likely to be challenged as Section 47(4) of the Kenyan law provides for presidential assent on any alteration of the Constitution. But Imanyara does not stop there. The bill also proposes to elevate the tribunal above the High Court of Kenya and seeks to allow the law on the special tribunal to be applied retroactively. This goes against the constitutional principle that no law can be used to try a civil or criminal offense committed before that law came into effect. This amendment bill is set to be inserted into the Constitution as Section 3A, ironically under the Section 3, which states that any law which is inconsistent with the Constitution shall be void. But will Imanyara succeed where the Iron Lady failed? If Imanyara's quest bears fruit, this may just be the tribunal to silence the critics of our local process. Noah Otieno, KTN Prime.